There is an ocean of cherry blossoms in Century Park. This year, the park's management set up a 200-meter path for visitors to walk along to take in the view.
We get excited for the cherry blossom season every year.
The park has assigned staff members to remind visitors to split up and follow different paths in order to avoid large groups.
We suggest that visitors book a ticket on our official WeChat account in advance. The most ideal time to see the cherry blossoms is this weekend and next week.
People can also check out the cherry blossoms at Gongqing Forest Park, Gucun Park, and Chenshan Botanical Garden. The 2021 Shanghai Peach Blossom Festival opened today in Pudong, as peach trees are also blooming. With an area of over 306,000 square meters, Nanhui Peach Blossom Village has more than 20 kinds of peach flowers.
There are a lot of Chinese poems about peach blossoms. I want to experience what it would have been like for ancient people by putting on a hanfu dress and enjoying the scenery.
Pudong has recommended routes in 5 towns to see the flowers, such as field mustards in Haishen Village and peach blossoms in Xinchang Ancient Town.
This year's festival is part of our effort to promote the development of the rural suburbs. We have different peach blossom-related products in each town, such as pastries, drinks, and fans. We hope that it'll help with the town's entrepreneurship and employment.
The Peach Festival will last until April 6th. Zhang Hong, Shanghai Life.